cream cheese pineapple pie.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Makes 12.
This video is being uploaded on March 14th, which is Pie Day. So happy Pie Day. This is a special video collaboration along with a YouTube friend of mine by the name of Jim, who is Jim's Kitchen. So please stick around to the end of the video and you'll see what kind of pie that he is making. Hello everyone, starting off with a small saucepan with 1/3 of a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and 8 ounces of crushed pineapple with the juice. Stir that all together, then turn your heat on to medium and begin to stir continuously. And you're going to cook this until it gets thick and that cornstarch starts to clarify. So once you get a mixture that is thick and mostly clear, you're going to remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Then in a large bowl, you're going to place 8 ounces of cream cheese, a 1/2 cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. And remember that teaspoon of salt, because we're going to talk about the teaspoon of salt a little bit later. Blend that until it is well combined. And then you'll add 2 eggs, beating after each addition. And don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Pour in 1/2 cup of milk and continue to blend until it is well combined. Then you'll need a 9-inch unbaked pie shell. Take that cooled pineapple mixture, put it in the bottom and spread it around. Now take that cream cheese mixture and pour it on top of the pineapple, and there'll be just enough to fill a 9-inch pie shell. It's perfect. Then sprinkle the top with a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. Now you're going to bake this at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Then you're going to reduce your heat to 325 and bake for an additional 50 minutes. That's a long time. So that's why I'm adding these little aluminum pie crust shields to my pie. It'll keep the crust from getting overcooked and really brown or even burned while the rest of the pie is cooking. If you can't find these little pie shields, then just use a little bit of aluminum foil to cover it. And there's the pie out of the oven. The filling doesn't get very brown. It kind of stays the same color, but I can tell you that it's nicely set. Now the pineapple layer, you can see, stays separate from the cream cheese layer. And the whole thing is delicious. A very nice pineapple flavor. The only problem with this was it was a little bit too salty in my opinion. A teaspoon of salt for this size of a pie is way too much. So I would put like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt or none at all because cream cheese already has a little bit of tang to it. Now here's the pie that Jim made on Jim's Kitchen for our collaboration. And it's actually a pie that I've previously made on my channel. It is Twinkie pie. Now Jim's Kitchen is a great channel. He does a lot of quirky recipes and I love quirky recipes. He gives a little bit of food history sometimes, which is very entertaining, and usually a joke at the end. So please go check out Jim's Kitchen. And if you do, please tell him that I sent you. Thank you for watching.